Today we will be talking about IDE. So what is an IDE and how it works? Okay, and the IDE that we will be using for C programming language. So first of all, what is an IDE? IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. It provides a platform to code in the language desired, which in our case is C programming language. It explores all the features and functionalities of a language efficiently. Features or functionalities such as printing, even a basic even a basic command on the screen से लेके functionalities जैसे कि involvement of a lot of libraries, ये सारे features और functionalities IDE में efficiently develop हुए होते हैं या efficiently उसमें deploy किए जाते हैं so that you can be use it easily. We can use it easily. Okay. It also has embedded features which makes it more choosable or notepad coding or web compiler coding. So what is notepad coding or web compiler coding? Let's take a look at it. So notepad coding, C programs can be written in notepad and executed as well if we have the desired compiler installed in the computer. तो हमारे कंप्यूटर का जो नोटपैड होता है, अगर उसके अंदर हम सी का कोई प्रोग्राम लिखते हैं सेम सिंटैक्स सेम कोड के साथ, ठीक है, और अगर हमारे पास जो कंपाइलर हमें चाहिए वो इंस्टॉल्ड होता है, देन यूजिंग द कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट हम उसको रन कर सकते हैं, हम उस प्रोग्राम को रन कर सकते हैं अगर उसका एक्सटेंशन हम डॉट सी फाइल बना दे तो अगर हम नोटपैड में भी कोड लिख ही सकते हैं, then why do we choose IDE? Okay, so here is the reason that notepad coding is manual task and it is more tedious and time taking than coding in IDE. So IDE is much more time consuming than notepad coding. So let's see what are the benefits of using an IDE. In an IDE, we have an interactive graphical user interface which reduces the time of coding and executing a program. तो हमारे पास GUI में buttons से लेके coding space से लेकर सब कुछ दिया हुआ होता है IDE में, which makes it easy for the user to code. Okay, और ये बहुत ही ज्यादा टाइम भी हमारा सेव करता है. Okay, then there are code analysis, completion, and prediction features which ensures less mistakes. Then what is code analysis? Okay, code analysis होता है कि हमारा code before it runs, the IDE analyzes it and makes sure that what it is running for. Okay, तो अगर हो सकता है कि हमने कोई ऐसा वेरिएबल यूज किया हुआ हो कोड में जो हमने कभी इनिशियलाइज ही ना किया हो, then that would be an error or that would be a mistake which the IDE will point out to us. Okay, then there are code completion features. So what is code completion? कोडिंग में कुछ नेसेसरी पार्ट्स होते हैं which are really required, और उन पार्ट्स के अलावा दूसरे पार्ट्स ऑफ द कोड कैन नॉट वर्क. फॉर सच एज if we are using a starting double quotation, then we need to end it with an ending double quotation, or if we are using a starting parenthesis, then we need to end it with an ending parenthesis. तो ये कोड कंप्लीशन फीचर भी IDE में दिया जाता है. सो whenever we type the starting parenthesis, it will automatically give us the ending parenthesis as well. So ये भी कम मिस्टेक्स इंश्योर करता है. Then we have code prediction features. So what are code prediction features? So in code prediction, कि अगर हम कोई वेरिएबल को यूज करना चाहते हैं, then the IDE will predict it for us. So it will make the time for typing out that variable really less. Okay, so it also ensures that we are coding efficiently and with less errors and less mistakes. Okay. Now, all the functionalities can be accessed more efficiently than through other sources. So yes, the functionalities can be accessed through notepad coding as well. But why is it say that it can be accessed more efficiently? क्योंकि IDE में उस functionalities को easily deploy किया जाता है, जबकि notepad coding में उनको उतना deploy नहीं किया जाता. Also, अगर हम IDE use कर रहे हैं, तो if we are importing any library या कुछ कर रहे हैं हम C में, ठीक है, और ये फंक्शनैलिटीज अगर हम IDE में एक्सेस करना चाहते हैं तो हमको सारी आइडियाज मिल जाएंगे कि लाइब्रेरी में कौन कौन से फंक्शंस हम यूज कर सकते हैं सी में, जबकि नोटपैड में हमको वो फीचर नहीं मिलता है. दैट्स व्हाई आई थिंक सो दैट यूजिंग एन IDE इज बेटर देन कोडिंग इन नोटपैड. सो द IDE दैट वी वुड बी यूजिंग फॉर सी is called as code blocks. Here is code blocks. It is one of the most widely used IDE for C and C++ programming. It supports C, C++, and Fortran. It is compatible with the GNU GCC compiler. Here is the SourceForge link for installing code blocks, and it comes with pre-installed GNU GCC to save time and efficient code. Okay, now I'll show you how we shall install and run the code blocks, and we will see our first program as well. All right. अगर हम उस लिंक को प्रेस करते हैं, देन इट विल ओपन दिस पेज इन योर वेब ब्राउजर, जहाँ पे कोड ब्लॉक्स का sourceforge.net के ऊपर अपलोड किया गया है. ओके, दिस इज ब्रॉट टू अस बाय किलरबॉट, मैनड्राव, मॉर्टन मैकफ्लाई एंड थॉमस टैंक. This is not really important. Okay, all of that you have to do is just press this download button and download the code blocks thing and download the code blocks software. I've already downloaded it, so I will show you how to set up code blocks in our PC. Okay, so I will show it folder, and here we have, okay, all that we have to do is just next install. Okay, let's wait for it to get installed. It will take at max 5 to 6 seconds. Okay, so now this has been installed and we are getting, do you want to run code blocks now? Then yes, let's run it. Okay, so as we can see, code blocks is still starting. The first page would be the first page of code blocks would be the GUI. So here we can see that this is the GUI of code blocks. Okay, here it is still loading. Okay, it has loaded now. So here we can see that we have a create a new project option. We have an open an existing project option as well. So these are my projects, basic projects. Okay, I'll show you how to create your first C project. So create a new project pe jao. We have to do console application, press go, choose C, press next. Okay, project title that I will choose is, let's call it Hello World. Finish. ओके, सो मैंने एक्चुअली हेलो वर्ल्ड की फाइल एक पहले से बनाई हुई थी, इसलिए वो आ रहे थे डायलॉग बॉक्स. सो हियर यू कैन सी कि ये हमारा सबसे पहला बेसिक कोड सी में इसने ऑलरेडी हमारे लिए लिख के दिया है. सो व्हाट इज दिस printf and we have written this hello world. So before explaining the basic syntax of this C program, हम पहले इसको रन करके देखते हैं कि ये क्या करता क्या है. ठीक है, so here we can see it has given us this hello world. I'm sorry. Okay, here it has given hello world. It has been printed on the screen. Hello world has been printed on the screen. So this is the basic program. This is the basic print. This is the basic program to print hello world in C. Okay, I'll explain the basic syntax and everything about this program later on. Thank you.